What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today is another awesome day because we've got some carbon fiber for the car. Well, we've already had this carbon fiber on the car, but it's going back on the car, I guess you could say. If you've been following my YouTube channel and my Instagram for a little while, you know that I had a carbon fiber SARD LSR wing on there, and it kind of faded a little bit. The clear coat came off. Wasn't looking all up to par, and also my metal brackets that hold it on actually turned bronze instead of black. So we had everything re-clear coated, and here it is, just glistening in the sun. It's hard to pick it up. You can see my fingerprints on a little bit, but it is absolutely perfect now. The carbon just looks so shiny. I'm pretty sure it looks better than when I first got it. If you guys are getting a SARD LSR carbon fiber wing, which is probably why you're watching this video, then make sure you get it clear coated before. The clear coat that comes on it fades within about a year or so, depending on the sun. And these brackets actually turned bronze, and now we've got them in gloss black, which I think looks absolutely amazing. And just to top it all off, I had dry carbon mirrors on my car. They started fading, pilling. They look terrible. And we got those clear coated as well, so it is gloss carbon to match the wing. This looks absolutely amazing. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna show you guys how to install this on your car. It is very, very simple. All right, so I got the brackets remounted back onto the back of the car here. I'll show you guys exactly how I did it, what tools you'll need. So basically, the brackets just go on like this. You're gonna see a little middle piece that is that comes pre-connected when you buy your SARD wing. But since I had to take mine off to get it painted, I went ahead and just completely redid the bracket. So you're gonna have 3 long Allen screws here and 2 short ones. So the short ones actually go through the bracket here, and the long ones are actually the ones that push the bracket against the trunk lid itself. So what I did is, before you put these nuts on there, you'll just tighten down the brackets with a little Allen key and tighten each one of those first, and then you're gonna really tighten those 2 little small ones. Those actually go through the bracket into the trunk itself, and then you're gonna take a 8mm socket and you'll tighten those up so it sits flush against the trunk. Once you do both sides, you'll just measure to make sure that it'll be even on both sides of the trunk here, which luckily I already had some mounting points from the last time I did this, but just make sure you measure it a couple times just to make sure it'll sit nice and even, and then we'll go ahead and put the wing on there. I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. So to put the actual wing on, you'll have 4 Allen screws on each side with a little washer as well, and you're basically just going to want to screw those into the 4 mounting points on both sides. What I did is I went ahead and got one started on each side to hold the wing in place, and so I'll go through and make sure I tighten all those on to make sure the wing is mounted, and then we'll see what it looks like. And just like that, the SARD LSR carbon fiber wing is installed. I really, really love this wing just as much as the day I got it. And now I'm pretty sure it looks better than when it comes. I don't remember these being gloss black, so I'm really glad Landon went ahead and painted those gloss black. So huge shout out to my brother-in-law Landon. He's the one that got this clear coated for me, got everything redone. Also same thing with the mirrors there. But yeah, I really like this wing. It doesn't do any damage to your car. You can take it off anytime. I've been running without it for about 2 months, and you couldn't even tell I had a wing before. The real thing is, you just really have to make sure that these brackets are holding the wing on, that there's no movement whatsoever. Everything is nice and tight. These nuts are just extra safety, but you really want to make sure these Allen screws pull the wing nice and tight. But we'll go ahead and get these mirrors on the car, and then we'll take a look and see what it all looks like. The mirrors are extremely simple. You just want to take some double-sided tape and run it along the edges here. Make sure you get something really, really strong. I've got a Gorilla double-sided tape here, so we'll use this and we'll get these mounted up on the car. during my first driving test here. But yeah, I've got to say, I kind of liked it without the wing on there. It was very, very clean, but I am extremely glad that I got this back. It really changes the look of the car in my opinion. And that carbon just glistening now. No more fading on it, and the black on the mounts looks like so much better than that bronze did. And of course we got the carbon mirrors back on the car too. These were a dry matte carbon. Now they're glossy, so matches the wing, and I think the car is coming back together pretty nicely. Now I just need your guys' opinion. I still have not put my rear windshield louver back on. Remember, it was kind of pilling up and I couldn't get the tape to sit right, so I'm going to reinstall that hopefully. But just want to let you guys, just want to see what you guys think. Should I put that rear louver back on to go with my side louvers, or do you like the clean look of the rear windshield? Of course, that's another thing that's not very permanent, so I can take it on and off as I please. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you do like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It was a nice, quick, easy one, but we got the wing back on, got the carbon mirrors back on, and we got a couple other videos coming very soon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.